Hey guys, welcome to GymRa. My name is Lindsay and today we're going to be taking you through a HIIT workout focusing on your butt and thighs. Now all you need for this workout is yourself and a little space to move around. Make sure you've warmed up before this workout. It's very important that you keep that heart rate going before going into a HIIT workout. Now we're going to be alternating between 60-second of strength movement and 30-second of cardio bursts. All right, without further ado, let's get into it. We are going to start out with some lunge pulses on our right foot. All right. Now make sure you keep that core tight when you're coming up and also squeeze that butt a little bit. Feel the burn. Remember to breathe out as you come up. All right, switch leg. Keep your body centered in the middle. That will help you feel it in not only your front thigh, but also your back. And if any of these movements are too fast for you, slow down the pace a little bit. Go at your own speed. All right, we're gonna go into some spider jumps. Legs out, arms out, like you're a starfish. For more advanced, squat a little bit lower. And if it's too much for you, don't go as low. Simple. Whew. I don't know about you guys, but I'm starting to feel it. All right. Lunges, side to side. Keep body right where your knee is. Body center to where your knee is. Stick that butt out. Your chest should be in line with the toe. All right, last 3 reps. 3, 2, 1. All right, we're gonna go into some split jumps. Similar to the other one, but legs in front instead of to the side. How are you guys feeling? Whew. I'm starting to feel it, getting tired, huh? Just push through it, push through it. You guys can do it. I believe in you. All right, finishing up. All right, we're going into some curtsy deadlifts. Now with the deadlift, you want to keep your back straight, push the butt out, light bend in the knee, and bend over. This one you'll really feel in your glutes. Remember to keep that back straight. And breath always. Nice, beautiful day today. Feeling that breeze. All right, finishing up. All right, now Sumo Jack squat jumps. Out, in, out, in. For more advanced, keep your butt to the ground. And for less advanced, don't go so low. Stay right here. Whew. All right, 3, 2, 1. Now this time, curtsy with no deadlift. Curtsy, curtsy. Hands on hips or hands in front, whichever way you feel more supported. And squeeze up on the way up. Next one, we're going into cardio, so be ready. Be careful with your knee. All right, cardio burst. Toe taps. Feels like a dance move, but it definitely gets your heart rate going. Lengthen out those legs and arms. You're using your whole body for this. Woo! Woo! Push through it, have fun with it. 4, 3, 2, 1. For my yogis, drinking bird. For more advanced, keep foot hovering over the ground. Do not touch it to the ground. For my less advanced, touch your foot to the ground. Remember to keep your eye focused on something in front of you. This is a tricky one. It's very easy to lose balance and focus. 1, other leg. Eye focused on something in front of you. Serene thoughts. Touch. Back straight. Last 3, 2, 1. On to cardio burst. Fingers touch the floor, booty to floor. For less advanced, you don't have to put your bottom so low to the ground. You can just go like this. This one you will really feel. Last 3, 2, 1. All right, deadlift into lunges. Keep your front leg straight when going into the deadlift. Keep that booty nice and tight when you're coming on up from the lunge. And remember, back straight. All right, we're gonna switch to the other side. Other side. Remember, back nice and flat. You'll really feel that stretch in your hamstring on the left, whichever leg is straight. You will feel that stretch and it feels really nice, especially before we get into our next cardio move. All right, last 3, 2, 1. All right, scissor jumps. Arms in front of you, like you're a zombie. So many of these cardio bursts feel like a dance move. Hopefully you're playing some fun music. I got the ocean behind me for mine. Arms straight, legs straight. Crisscross. 3, 2, 1. Deadlifts again, legs wide. Keep your toes pointed. One way, one way. Back straight, remember? Again, this is a nice stretch for your hamstrings. To keep those legs long and lean. The lengthening movements are the best, especially for during HIIT workouts. It's a nice break. On your way up, squeeze that butt. We're gonna go into our cardio movement next. It's a fun one. Whew. All right, last 4, 3, 2, 1. Surfer squats. Start right here and switch. You're surfing that wave. Imagine you're in nice sunny California, Hawaii, Costa Rica. Woo, I'm feeling that. All right, front deadlifts. Legs together, booty out, tighten. Always remember with this one to tighten on your way back up. Tighten. See that nice perky butt. Back straight, slide into the knee. You guys are almost done, you're almost there. Great work. You're gonna feel it tomorrow, that's for sure. I know I will. Two, 1. Woo! All right, guys, you did it, you made it. You have finished this HIIT workout. I'm so proud of you guys. Please, please, please make sure to cool down, stretch out those muscles so you're not too sore tomorrow. Drink plenty of water and eat high protein meals to replenish those muscles, help with recovery. I had such a good time. I hope you guys enjoyed it today, and have a beautiful rest of your day or night, and I'll see you next time.